Hello again, this is Abdul with my third last video tutorial on Microsoft Teams. In this video tutorial, I'm going to look into some of the features and how we can make use of, how we can use these features while working with Microsoft Teams. As we all know, Microsoft Teams is for Teams. It is a collaboration application. And when you go to the application, this is my application that I have downloaded. This is the downloaded version, Windows application, and if you go to this application you can find so many icons on the left. We have activity icon, and when you click activity icon you will see all the activities that we have done so far, I have done so far related to this particular team. So now I'll show you another thing. If you go down you can see the chat here. Chat, you can chat with people, with members, individually and for all. You can make the chat for individuals, you can make the chat for all. Okay, let me show you how we can create more new chats. Okay, let's select the people whom I want to communicate. So I don't have more members with this group, so I cannot select more people. So I have only one individual as the member of my team. So you can have two different types of chats. You can chat with individual and you can chat with all. Next you can think of is creating teams. The buzzword of Microsoft Teams is creating teams. You can create as many teams as you like. And teams, in case you are thinking in terms of a school, you can create teams for individual classes. So for every classroom you can have a team. You can create a team for every class. And under this team, for example, okay, I have created 2A plus 2A. If I click this, I can have more. Let me click the three dots. This is plus 2A, 12th A's division. I am clicking the three dots, and when I click this, I have manage team, add channel, add member, leave, edit team. So all these things are available here. Okay, manage team, and I click manage team. I can search members, so I don't have more members here. Pending request, if there are anybody who is waiting for my approval. Channels, so the channels under this, settings, analytics, apps. So all these things are available. All these things can be done under with these clicks. Okay, so just click away. You can add new members. You can be clicking add member. For example, I want to add a member to this class. I can just click this add member button. I can search for the student and I can add him. I can add even teachers, write the name of the teacher and add him. So these are the different ways of managing with team. We can add channel. So right now we don't have no channel, so only the team is here. I can add channel for example, let me add physics is one channel, and let me click automatically show add. So when you add a channel, yeah, the channel is being added, and you can find one channel under this team. We can see one channel. So general means all the chats, all the discussions that goes under to this class will come here. General physics discussion will only this channel focus only on this topic, only on the particular topic. We can add more channels. We can add channel for English, channel for every individual subject. We can add members. We can leave the team. So for example, you don't want to stay with this team, you can leave the team. You can edit team. You can get link to team. You can just get the link of the team and share with people. You copy it and share with others, so that other guests or other people can join in your team and collaborate with you. So everything looks really interesting, really wonderful indeed. Manage tags, delete the team. So all these things are possible with team. So we have seen teams, all the teams I have created, and for every team we can create more channels. So really good to see how people can, really good place to make people work together to collaborate. Assignment is the place where you can show the assignments you have dispersed so far. I haven't designed any assignment for these people. I'll have to do that. So I'm not. So suppose I want to do an assignment for this class. I can click select the class, click next, and welcome to assignment. Get started. So there are so many things I have to go through. I have to create an assignment. Create an assignment. I can create assignment, I can create a quiz, I can create assignment from the existing document. So all these possibilities are wonderful indeed. Calendar is the other interesting thing that we can think of. With calendar, you can schedule sessions. You can schedule sessions just with one click. And if you go up on the top right, you can see two things, two buttons. Meet now, new meeting. If you click new meet now, the camera will get started. Join now, meeting with, yeah, you can see the camera. You can see the camera, and you can just go through all the features. The video can be switched off, the audio can be switched off, muted. You can share your desktop, share your files. Again, there are more actions. You can see these are the interesting things, wonderful features. You can show device settings, you can show meeting notes, you can enter full screen, you can show the background effects, turn on live captions. Turn on live captions was available with Google Meet also. If you need, you can just turn it on. Keypad, you can see the keypad. Start recording. You can record your event, you can record your meeting. End meeting button is here. End meeting button was something that we all of us searched with the Gobranch. Nobody could find it, but later we found that it doesn't have any ending button, but it will end on its own. But here it is available on with one click. You can see it. Turn off incoming video, you can turn it off or you can turn it on. So these are the things. Raise your hand is other thing. So raise your hand is, I think, available to almost all collaboration tools. And show conversation, you can show conversation. So right now I am the only one joined who is present here, so we don't find other people. You can show the participants. Click the show participants, you can see the participants, and with this button you can also invite people to join in your session. And if you want to hang up, you can just click this. So you find these are really interesting features, very interesting features with Microsoft Teams. You can call people using this, clicking this button. You can call people. If you want to dial individual members, you can talk with them. You can both use video chatting and you can use audio chatting. You can share individual files with, you can share files with individuals. This is also really interesting. You can easily do these things. You won't get mixed up, you won't get hanged on. It is easy, hassle-free things. You can do all these things very quickly. And we have more actions here too. We can turn on live captions, keypad, start recording. We can start recording the telephone call, the video call, turn on the incoming video, turn off the incoming video. All these features are there. You can even end the meeting. So one-to-one meeting and group meeting is possible with Microsoft Teams. Files. With files, you can see the recent files. You can find the downloads. You can save all these things. Cloud storage, you can find it on the cloud. Okay, everything looks really, really exciting indeed. So don't waste any more time. Go ahead with exploring. Go and explore and come out with wonderful tutorials to help all the members to get along with Microsoft Teams. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.